Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about what is the importance of preserving the ECG. Whenever you take a ECG, you get a copy like this. This is a kind of thermal printing with the passage of days. These prints usually get lost. Like the bill paper which is given in the petrol bunk, it is usually printed with the help of thermal energy. In certain other centers, wherever you take ECG, they might give a different kind of ECG like this one. So this is not a thermal printing. This is a properly printed ECG paper, which might not get erased with the passage of the days. Then it's fine. But whenever you get a ECG like this, you should always take a Xerox copy of this and preserve it for future reference. Because whenever you go to a hospital with some amount of difficulties or some symptoms, so usually invariably you get to uh, you have to do an ECG for some kind of symptoms, like either it is breathlessness, either it is chest burn or chest pain. For most of the symptoms, ECG is easily available these days, so you have to do it. So if at all, if there is any abnormality that is detected, and if you have the baseline ECG, the doctors have the opportunity to compare your baseline ECG with the new ECG, so that they can make a choice whether there is any abnormality in the ECG or not. Few people, despite being completely normal, they might have some changes in the ECG which might be their baseline ECG. So even in the times of trouble, if you take the ECG and if the same changes are present in the ECG, for example, your baseline ECG also shows some changes, and even during the symptomatic thing also, the changes are almost remaining the same. Then it means it is normal for that particular patient and which is not abnormal. So, but without this help of the baseline ECG, we might not be able to make a decision and we might be confused. So, whenever you get an opportunity to get an ECG, either before the surgery or before or during any mass health checkups or whatever it may be, if it is getting printed in a thermal paper, it is essential that you take a Xerox copy of it and preserve it for the future references. Thank you. Thank you, Ham Chale.